Ndewo m, apụ na anwụ m, anyanwụ ụtụtụ, egovine m, ọ dị m n'obi. This and many more are the romantic name for women in Igbo language. Do you care to know more about it, guys? Stay tuned and watch the thing. Hello, Nzema. Kwenye chiri ya zere. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. I remain your lady, Estina. Guys, I am back with another romantic video. Guys, as I did on the last episode, guys, we dealt with romantic name for men, and we are here with the women's own. Guys, nke ahụ ọ na-abụ a na-akpọ anyị isi ha n'ebu. A na-etunu na-apịlị bọtịn ọ na-adaba. So my people, no wasting of much time. Let's dive no time, guys. Let's go straight away. The first one I have here is nwa mụrụ na mma. Nwa mụrụ na mma. That means, hey, child that was born with beauty. You are just born with beauty itself. Nwa amụrụ na mma. Yes. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Hi. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. That simply means my rising sun. My early morning rising sun. Guys. When they done the tune us with these names. What I'm gonna hear, man. Ihe niile ga na-emezu. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ, just my morning sun. Ịhụnanya ndụ m. Ịhụnanya ndụ m. That means the love of my life. The love of my life. Men, gather here and collect all these names and use it to go. And what a good. Ọgwụ ọbara m. My blood tonic. Ọgwụ ọbara m. My blood tonic. As in, anytime he offends you and you find out that he is angry, just go give her the blood tonic. Give her the blood tonic and everything will be like, just like yesterday. Osa, some, that means my sweetest one, or some, depending on your dialect. Okay. Oma asaho. Oma asaho. Hey. Igbo man, they can twist you, or with these names, guys, when you just keep on dropping it with you. Women, if any nigga name is for sure. Oma asa. That simply means you're just taking baths for nothing. Because nwa dị ka achọrọ. Nwa dị okay. Nwa dị ka achọrọ. You're just bathing in vain because whether you bath or no bath, it is correct. Nwa dị pure. So, ladies, go bath for. Wow. Nwa simply means baby. So you can still call your baby Nwa. Your husband can still call you Nwa. Your children is Nwa. That means babe or baby. Anyone. Okay, let's keep going. Opando. That simply means stars. Stars. You are my stars. That are my little shining star in the sky there. You are my star. Nkem is my own, and my own, my one and only. I not to share with anybody. You are mine. Nkem. Odinobi, the one in my heart, the one in my heart, the one after my heart. Odinobi. Asampete, Asampete. That means my beauty itself, my beauty is asampete. One I have here is enenebe ejehi oro. Enenebe ejehi oro. That simply means, if I sit down, they look at you. If I continue looking at you, I will not go to work. You're preventing him from going to work. But the work, you have to go to it. You have to go. Enenebe ejehi oro. Just that when you continue looking at you, you even lose interest of going out or going to work. Enenebe ejehi oro. Omalicha nwa. Omalicha nwa. That simply means my beautiful babe. My beautiful baby. Egovina nwa. Egovina nwa. My morning fresh palm wine. Egovina nwa. Just referring to your babe as fresh and beautiful. Egovina nwa. Ịdị ka achọrọ. Nwa na ịdị ka achọrọ. Ịdị ka achọrọ. You are just full package. You are just the way I want it. You are just the way I want it. You'll be full package. All the complete. When the fed miss. Hey, yo. Baby Yoko. Baby Yoko. My baby on fire. Baby, what the good heart. What the heart. Baby Yoko. Odinobi. Odinobi. The one in my heart. The one in my heart. Omarobi dear. Omarobi dear. The one that knows the heart of his husband. Omarobi dear. Oriako. Oriako. Otakashi. Otako. Which means you are just there to eat my wealth. To eat my wealth. Oriako. Akwamwa. Akwamwa. Aqua here simply means egg, and it's just being referring to it as egg is a precious thing that you carry egg with care, lots of care. So referring to your babe as akwamwa simply means you handle it with care. My akwamwa. Udara mmecha. Udara mmecha. Udara mmecha. Udara is something African apple, but it's sweet and high. Udara mmecha. I'm just referring to as that's your big apple that is Udara mmecha. Ịhụnanya onye m bu n'obi. Ịhụnanya, the one, my love that I have in my heart. Ịhụnanya onye m bu n'obi. Onye m bu n'obi. Give it to me. Ịhụnanya onye m bu n'obi. The one in my heart. Nwa dị okay. Nwa dị okay. Nwa dị okay. That means you are just the perfect. Nwa dị sharp. Nwa dị ka achọrọ. Nwa bụ good. Mech. You're just the best. Nwanyị ọma ma ọ bụkwa ezigbo nwanyị. Nwanyị ọma ma ọ bụ ezigbo nwanyị. That simply means my good woman and ezigbo nwanyị simply means my good woman. Nwanyị ọma ma ọ bụkwa ezigbo nwanyị. That the same. Nwanyị ọma. My good woman. Nwa dị obi m mma. Nwa dị obi m mma. The one that it is good to my heart. Nwa dị obi m mma. The one that it is good to my heart. Akom. You are my wet. You are my wet. And the lastly, but not the least, guys, ego Igbo. My foreign currency. You are my foreign currency. Egigwe. Kuka shemo. So guys, that's it for the romantic name for women. Do you know any more ones? Guys, let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. Let's share those romantic names with our men. And guys, I get that video by. You're going to end it here, my lovely people. If you got any value in the video or do like it, you see anything that you like in the video, don't forget to give thumbs up to the video and share to your man, share to someone you know, that will share to someone, that will tell someone that something good is happening here. Before you log out of this video, have you clicked on that red subscription button? Let's keep the channel moving. Thank you for being part of this. To my returning subscribers, guys, you know this is always there for you. I had to all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.